Hey guys, welcome to the very first video of my YouTube channel. As you have already guessed from the title, today I'll be sharing some tips and tricks to help you score 360 in NEET Biology. But before that, let me introduce myself. I am Achal and I gave NEET 2021, in which I managed to score 681 marks out of 720. My All India rank was 788. In physics, I scored 155, chemistry 166 and biology 360. So I divided the video into different segments. First and foremost, we'll be discussing the books that you. As you have already guessed, yes, it's the NCERT biology. It is very important, like the whole paper comes essentially from this. The second book is the NCERT exemplar. I had the PDF of that book. And the third one is a coaching module from any of the reputed institute. Like I was enrolled at Allen, so I have those modules. I have seen many people saying that NCERT is enough. Yeah, I agree with that. But to score 360, you need some extra edge, and that extra edge comes with reading the coaching module. I think there are many Telegram groups that provide the PDF of various coaching modules, so you can check that out. The fourth one is the NCERT at Your Fingertips by MTG Publication. This is a really nice book. It has many MCQs to practice and it essentially covers every single line of NCERT. So I would totally recommend this. The second step is question practice. Like after you have attended your video lectures, read NCERT, read the coaching module, now it's time to practice as many questions as possible. So I used to practice from the module itself, the fingertips and NCERT exemplar. You need to make sure that you practice the questions in a time-bounded manner. Like I used to solve 90 to 100 questions in 30 to 45 minutes. The third step is to make an error notebook. Like when I used to practice questions, I always made sure to make a note of the questions in which I made an error and also the questions which I couldn't attempt at the first go. Like this notebook proved really handy during the last month of my NEET preparation. The fourth aspect is revising. Like in biology, we understand the concepts. We read the content from NCERT, the coaching module, solved as many questions as possible, and made an error notebook. Now the fourth and the most important step is revising the content at irregular intervals. So for revision, what I used to do was I made 1 to 2 pages notes of NCERT. I'll show you guys. I used to stick this short notes on NCERT, like this is my 12th NCERT. This is the chapter Microbes in Human Welfare, and this is my short note. So what happened was that when I opened my NCERT, I used to read short notes that I prepared and could also go through the diagrams. So my revision became very fast and efficient by this method. And also pro tip, like there are some important things that are not mentioned in the NCERT, but you come across them while solving the questions. So what I used to do was I would write those in the blank spaces given in NCERT, and these are the short notes. And then went through the diagrams and added something if I found something important while reading. For revision, I also used to make flashcards like this. So these proved to be of great help during the last month of NEET preparation. So how do we make a flashcard is that you write a question over here and the answer on the back. So it is a method of active recall and is very useful. I think you should try it. The aspect is question attempting in tests. So like when you attempt biology section of your test paper, make sure that you read the question very properly and graze your pencil as you read the question and underline the keywords, because this drastically reduces the chances of making silly mistakes. Get stuck on any question, try to understand the question from the examiner point of view. Like what did the examiner wanted to ask, and check. When you take the question from the examiner point of view, you can get halfway through the question, then you can easily solve the question. I hope these tricks and tricks help you guys. Thank you so much for watching till the end.